Thank you. Were there any ex partes that were not on file? Yes. Okay. Commissioner McClure?
Yes, on January 6th, I met an in-person meeting with Susan McCabe in Marina Del Rey, and I received a briefing from the briefing book that was provided to staff, and we went over the storage facility over the water and the connection that it has with the LCPA, and the consultant indicated that the applicants are in complete agreement with the staff recommendations and special conditions and request approval to the commission.
Commissioner Cox?
I'm sorry,
Commissioner Vargas.
I'm sorry, I fell asleep. Yes, I also had pretty much the exact same ex parte meeting on January 2nd at 9 a.m. with Michael Tripp, Roger Van Wert, Tom Hogan, Susan McCabe, and Ann Blemker, where we discussed the Boat Central project, and the applicants stated that they were in agreement with the staff report.
Thank you. Commissioner Cox?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. On January 2nd at 1 p.m., Greg Murphy on my staff had a telephone conversation with Susan McCabe, Ann Blemker, Michael Tripp, Roger Van Wert, and Tom Hogan. Pretty much substantially the same. They provided some background on the map and text amendment to the Marina Del Rey LCP that was approved by the Commission in November of 2011, and went through a briefing booklet that was previously provided to staff. Staff has concluded that the project will not set a precedent for new over-the-water development, since the LCP language has been carefully structured, and the applicants are in complete agreement with the staff recommendations and special conditions and requests approval by the Commission. Thank you.
Thank you. To my left, are there any ex partes? Yes, Commissioner Bochco.
Yes, on January 5th at 2 o'clock, I had a brief telephone call with Susan McCabe, Tom Hogan. Basically, we just discussed that they were in full agreement with the staff report, and briefly how the CDP application fit in with the overall marina project.
Thank you. Okay, if there are no others, then I will ask the applicant. I do see a number of folks here representing the application, the applicant, and most of them say they're available for questions or rebuttal. Is there anyone here who wants to make a presentation on behalf of the applicant?